Tired of grinding 60-hour weeks with nothing to show for your hard work? What if I told you that 80% of millionaires don't rely on endless hustle? They use smart leverage to build lasting wealth. This secret could end your struggle, and I'm here to prove it with real strategies. Stick with me for the next few minutes. Imagine this vivid scene. You're trapped in a 60-hour work week, juggling a demanding side hustle, barely scraping by to pay the bills. The stress is overwhelming. Your eyes burn from staring at computer screens late into the night. Your back aches from hunching over a cluttered desk, and your dreams of financial freedom feel like they're slipping further away with each passing day. I've lived that reality. For months, I poured my energy into a side gig, working late nights and weekends, only to see a handful of pennies trickle into my bank account. I was exhausted, overwhelmed by the workload, and watching my ambitions of owning a business fade into the background. Then I hit a breaking point, a moment where I knew something had to change. That's when I discovered the power of outsourcing. I took a leap of faith and hired a freelancer on Fiverr for just $20 to handle a repetitive task that was eating up my time. The result? My income doubled overnight. Yes, doubled. And I couldn't believe it. The hustle lie we've all been sold is draining your soul, stealing your time, and holding back your potential when leverage could set you free. This isn't just my story. It's the untold truth for every struggling entrepreneur out there. And it's time to rewrite that narrative. Let's dive into your biggest challenge, the lack of time. You're drowning in a sea of tasks, crafting social media posts, tackling data entry, responding to endless emails, leaving you with no space to grow your business or nurture your personal goals. It's a vicious cycle, and I know it feels nearly impossible to break free from that grind. Outsourcing is your lifeline, and here's how it can transform your life. Platforms like Fiverr and Upwork open the door to talented people you can hire for as little as $5 to $10 an hour. Think about this for a moment. Someone else can design your eye-catching logos, edit your engaging videos, or manage your chaotic schedule while you focus on the big picture strategies that matter. Start small. Delegate one task like a logo design and watch how it frees up 10 precious hours a week for you to invest in your dreams. Struggling with a tight budget? You don't need to spend a fortune to get started. Begin with a $5 job, test the waters, and scale up as you see tangible results. I've done it myself. Hired a graphic designer for $10 to create a professional banner that transformed my brand overnight, attracting new clients I never imagined. This isn't about throwing money away. It's about reclaiming your time to build real, sustainable wealth. Pause for a second and reflect. What task is weighing you down right now? Is it social media management or email overload? Drop that task in the comments below, and let's start this journey to financial freedom together. Your first step toward leveraging your time starts today. Still buying into the hustle lie that keeps you chained to your desk? What if I told you that AI tools and digital products could break that cycle and build you an empire without burning out? This is the next step to ending your struggle. Stay with me to uncover it. Let me paint a picture. I was overwhelmed, staring at a blank screen, desperate to create content for my side hustle, but with no budget to hire help. The pressure was suffocating. Deadlines looming, ideas drying up, and my energy fading fast. Then I stumbled upon a game changer, AI tools. I fired up ChatGPT for free and asked, "Give me 10 ideas to grow my brand." Within minutes, it handed me a list that saved me hours of brainstorming. I paired it with Canva, also free, to design a thumbnail that doubled my video clicks. That's when I realized technology can lift the burden when you know how to use it. This is how you beat the challenge of limited resources in 2025, and it's a lifeline for every entrepreneur starting out. Let's dig deeper with examples. A friend used ChatGPT to draft a sales email, polished it in Canva, and landed his first $500 client, all without spending a cent. Another follower created a social media post in under 10 minutes, gaining 100 new followers overnight. These tools are your secret weapon, and here's how to wield them. Ask ChatGPT specific questions like, "How do I promote my ebook?" Or use Canva to craft visuals that stand out. Stuck? Type your goals and watch the magic happen. Now, frustrated by endless work with no lasting gain? That's where digital products step in. Imagine crafting a simple ebook or online course on a skill you know, maybe time management or budgeting for startups, and selling it forever without trading more hours for dollars. I started with a 15-page guide on productivity using free Google Docs, uploaded it to Gumroad, also free to join, and now earn passive income every month. No cash up front, no 60-hour weeks, just one effort for infinite returns. Here's a real story. A viewer took my advice, wrote a fitness guide, and made $200 in her first week. This ends the struggle of trading time for money, and it's within your reach. Take a moment. What skill can you teach? Cooking, fitness, finance? Draft an outline this week and share your idea in the comments. I'll be your cheerleader. The hustle lie is over. Leverage beats labor, ending your 60-hour grind and opening doors to financial freedom. But here's the burning question. What 2025 trend will 10x your empire and catapult your business to new heights? It's a secret that could redefine your future, and I'll reveal it next time. Join me then to find out. Subscribe now, hit the notification bell, and let's conquer your challenges together. This is Wealth Odyssey Hub, your guide to financial mastery, where every step brings you closer to the empire you deserve.